Hello guys, namaste, parev, ndiepi, san bonanin. Anyway, we have a nice 10 gen, 10 gen, yes, laptop. It's not turning on. But wait, it's turning put loop, dim display, slow put time. I don't understand this. They're saying, let me show you the issue with this machine. Put loop, dim display, slow boot time. Which one is which? Let's see, guys. Let's see. All right, guys. To repair this, let's use the power. All right. Okay, it's showing the light that is charging, and it's about to charge. The amps are going up. I don't know why it's not charging. Let's press the power button. It's turning on. Okay, guys, let's use an HDMI port. Let's see. Let's use an HDMI. HDMI has been connected. Okay, guys, there's nothing on the screen. Let's see. Alright, if you don't know, you might think that the issue here is the dim display, but the issue here is not the dim display. I've seen it's not the dim display. Let's check a keyboard. I want to show you something with a keyboard. Guys, so what you do, you connect the keyboard. The keyboard has been connected. Switch off the machine. Now off. Okay, wait. It's now off. There's only an orange light. Let's press again. Now there's a blue light. Yeah. Okay, the reason why I've connected an external keyboard is that if the machine is turning on and it's working 100%, sure, we will have what do you call this? We will have the lights there. But in this case, there is no lights. Hope you can see there is no light at all. It means the issue got nothing to do with the screen. They wrote wrong information. So it's keep on booting, looping as well. Turns on, it goes off. All right, guys, I'm not gonna waste any of my time. All right, very good with stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my multimeter and put it into continuity mode. I wanna check for a short before I program the BIOS. So I won't waste my time. Let me show you this. Number one, you put one prop to ground. Put your meter into diode mode. 161. What about the other one? 521. Okay, 161, I believe it's for the RAM, and there's nothing wrong with that one. I'm here 162 161. Yes, there's nothing wrong with the RAM power supply. It's 16161, as you can see. Means everything is fine with the RAM. I did check the 3.3 and the 5 volts, and 3.3 is fine. 5 volts is also fine. How do I tell that this is 3.3, this is 5 volts, and this is a RAM? Let me show. All right, guys, so let me show you again. This is a RAM power supply. If you follow this output, goes all the way until this point, and that's why we're getting 16162. Same thing we're getting from this coil. It's one thing. Then this is a small coil, is for 3.3, and this is for 5 volts. What about the, let's check the CPU. No, there's the CPU here. 3, 83. Let's use the ohms. 38 ohms. 38 ohms. 0.2 kilo ohms. Okay, the RAM. Let's check in ohms. 0.2 kilo ohms. There's no short. 0.2 mega ohms. For 5 volts. 4.3 kilo ohms. The 3.3. Anyway, it means all the power supplies are fine. That's why I'm pretty sure that the issue here is got to do with the BIOS. Let's remove the BIOS. All right, guys, we need to save the backup. I'm gonna save this as backup. This is an old bin file. You save it. And then you erase the chip. Ito siya uga pwede dote. Lekanto si fakta po. Sa mga pwede yung daw. Kaya mapoy sa pwede daw kung all right, guys, let's see. It's now working. Let me show you. You press the power button. The fan is spinning. All right, so this is bad. Okay, it means we'll have to check some other things. Still there's no display, but I was so saying that the issue here, it was the BIOS, because I've seen the BIOS doing that several times. Maybe it's resetting. Let's see. Let's have some hope. Oh, there we go. Machine is working 100%. No bootable device. Anyway, take care, guys. Bye bye.